Hi, this is first video for you of me rebuilding the bike. For you is the first video. For me is the fourth day of the filming, because my language is as broken as this motorcycle. Before I started to be YouTuber, I already started to rebuild the bike. And in this video I'll show you what I already did. First thing what I did, I ordered a bunch of parts and tools from the AliExpress. It's rebuilt on the budget. I ordered plastic repair tools and welded some plastics. Here you can see my piece of art. Some parts are 3D printed, some parts are filled with fiberglass, and the cracks are welded with AliExpress gum. Next in the part list is aluminum clip-ons from the AliExpress. They should be from billet 6000 and something series aluminum alloy, but I highly doubt it because they are as light as the feather. So I must keep an eye on them, because if they fail, I will become the last aluminum bender. With the clip-ons, I need new set of grips. Those are simple, the original style. They will do the job. Another part from the list is this new kill switch assembly. However, from the AliExpress it came without light control switches, so I can't use this. So I sacrificed this to repair the old one. And speaking of the broken parts, there is my right side original clip-on. Another broken part to the list is this speedometer frame. New one is also from AliExpress, but being AliExpress special, his need to be modified in order to fit. But I might know something about CAD and 3D printing, so I made it fit quite easily. The rear wheel was also damaged during the accident. This is how the wheel looks like. And this is replacement one. Looks fine to me.
Nice.
Here is AliExpress special starter cover. Being AliExpress one, it's worrying me that it also won't fit as it should. But I hope that the only difference is that this one missing the logo. So fingers crossed. I ordered new fuel tank. However, this could be saved, but the price of the repairs is twice as high as a perfectly fine used one. And if you wonder how the clip-ons, how the billet clip-ons from the AliExpress looks like, here you go. And when I say I will keep the close eye on them, I mean that, because every single bolt that I ever touched is marked, and I will check every single time if it's not loose enough. So, if you're interested to see if I ever repair the bike or even make it worse, and you wonder how a rebuilt bike would look like, stick around.